You will learn how to add link, all right, or hyperlink in Google Docs Mobile from this guide. Okay, you can see here I say Facebook, then I have link there. All right, instead of having it as a text, I can go and get the link to that Facebook account of mine, and when somebody clicks on the text there, the person will be taken to the Facebook account profile. So let me just clean this that I have here, and I will say click here. All right, click here, click here. Okay, then that is, by the way, I have WhatsApp, click here too, but I'm not going to work on the WhatsApp aspect. Let's work on Facebook here. Then let's get to a web browser and copy link to my Facebook account. So I'll tap on Chrome. So I'm on Facebook right now, but I will tap on my profile. Okay, so I'll tap on this to get my profile link. I will tap on it again, then select copy, then I'll cancel. So I've copied the link to this my profile page, all right, my Facebook account. So we minimize, then get back to this place. I'll tap on the person like icon again. So now click here is there. After Facebook, I will double tap, then highlight. Okay, so after highlighting, the next step I need to take is to tap on the plus sign, then select link. All right, so I will long press here and then select paste. I have pasted the link here, okay, that I want people to go to. Okay, I'll tap on done. You can see that click here is now highlighted in blue, meaning that there is a link under it. Then I'll tap on the tick sign at the top. So when somebody clicks on this click here after Facebook, the person will be taken to my profile. But let's try it out. I'll tap on it. Then you can see the link has shown under. I'll tap on the link. And here am I on my Facebook profile page, and it works. Now let's go and look for see another way we can do the same thing. You may not even need to highlight a text. Maybe you find yourself in any part of your document and you want to add link. You can still do that. So let me tap on the pencil like icon. Then I'll tap here and then tap on return. So let's say I want to add a link here. Okay, what I need to do is to tap on the insert on the plus sign at the top. You can see the plus sign there, so I'll tap on it. If you can't find that plus sign, please drag down on your document, you will see it. Then I'll tap on link. So here it says you should insert text and link. So first, let's call this text Facebook in this sample. All right, that is the text I want to use. Then in the link section, tap there, and please make sure that you have already, copy the link you want to embed here. So I will long press here and select paste. Then here, the Facebook link is what I want to use to in this example. I will tap on done. So you can see anytime somebody clicks on this Facebook text, he'll be taken to that particular link. Let's tap on the tick sign at the top left so that everything will be saved here. So let's experiment to see if we get the same result. I'll tap on Facebook here, then the link shows under, I'll tap on it, and we are here on the same profile. So any approach you want to use to embed link in your Google Docs document for mobile will work. Okay, if this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology, which cuts across so many areas. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.